My husband said he wasn't going out with me that way. Good afternoon, guys. I'm getting ready to go out to the store. I had braided and banded my hair earlier to shampoo it, and I did shampoo my hair. I recorded myself trying to style my hair after having it braided and banded, or while being braided and banded, and just around the house doing a little bit of things. And then my husband and I decided that we needed to go out because there's nothing here that either one of us want for dinner. So I have to take my hair out because my husband said he wasn't going out with me that way. He just wasn't. So I'm taking my hair down. It's not quite dry. It's not as dry as I would like for it to be, but I'm gonna show you what I did to my hair earlier. But before I show you what I did to my hair earlier, I'm just going to stop and say thank you to my subscribers. I even got a new subscriber today, and I'm pleased, and I'm just grateful for the support that I'm receiving from the Sisterlock community and my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And I ended up, yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, my question is, and will always be, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and be a part of the G&G family. I really would appreciate it. Right after I take this hair down, you'll be able to see what I had done to my hair earlier in order for it to dry. And yeah, and I thought I was styling my hair, but my husband said, that is not gonna work. So I'm gonna leave this headband on, of course. It's one of my old hair socks. And I'm gonna wear it out to the store. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my followers, and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been so good to me. I have one more here. One more flat in the back. And check it out. I think I'm gonna put on my Converse today. So guys, there I am. I'm ready to go. So you guys have a great day. Make sure you watch the upcoming video.